Are you over sending a typical LinkedIn message? Let me show you a feature on Growth Haus platform that enables you to actually personalize a Loom message, but you only have to record the video once for mass outbound communication. Let's jump on. Now we're on the Growth Haus platform. Let me show you a little hack. Once we go into this smart campaign, you'll see here, we've got a normal message written. What we can do though is actually jump into video, add a video. And what this is here is the ability to create a customized Loom video. So I'm just gonna put this as test. And what you'll see here, is my face, but also a prospect's LinkedIn profile. So what this looks like is the ability to record this video, right? Let me start recording. Hi, how you doing? Sorry I can't get through. Can I get your name and your number? And I'll get back to you. So guys, sorry, I'm not a great singer, but what this does is if I play this back for you, and let me start recording. Hi, how you doing? Sorry I can't get through. Can I get your name and your number? And I'll get back to you. So what this does is you will see your prospect's LinkedIn profile and they will see your pretty head looking like this in the corner. And what this means is you have the ability to actually put in a call to action. So whether that's a demo link, whether that's your website, or whether that's a Calendly to book a call. But what this actually will look like is, let me drop in here my Calendly link, my Growth Haus. I'm gonna save this. And then it's gonna look like this. And it's gonna say whatever their first name is, their company name, and then they're gonna be able to click on this and actually watch you show their profile. So when you're thinking about doing an outbound communication like this, there's a couple of things you need to think about. Number one is you need to think about how you're going to present the copy without actually using their first name, their company name, etc. So you want to build your ideal customer profile and then think about the industry, the location, and who you're targeting. You want to either add value, ask a controversial question, or pretty much tell them the reason why they need to be using your solution. Once you've done this, you can actually upload that video into our platform, or you can record it on there and use those levers to actually go to different parts of their profile. This gives you 3 times more of a conversion rate because you're actually putting in work and it looks like that you've customized this video specifically for your prospect. Let me know if you have any questions. See you in the next video.